Hello students, today I am going to discuss the problem how to find the image of the point in the plane. Okay, so we have to find the image of a particular point in the plane. So coming to the problem, so find the image of the point 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 in the plane. Okay, so I have represented a rough sketch so that P is the given point and this is the given plane and this is the given plane, and I am supposing that the image of P should be Q. Okay, this is the image of P in the plane, and I am naming that point as Q is equal to alpha beta gamma. So we have to find that particular point. Okay, right. So first of all, coming to the solution, given point P is equal to 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. I am naming that point as P, and also plane, and the plane is 2x minus 3y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so now first what we have to do is we have to find the equation of the line PQ. Okay, from the diagram, so we are seeing that PQ as a line. Okay, first we have to find that equation of the line PQ. So in order to find the equation of the line PQ, we require at least 2 points. Okay, if you know P and Q, then we can find the equation of the line, but we don't know Q. So, but we know P. So we are having 1 point, and if you know the drs of that particular line PQ, then we can find the equation of the line PQ. Okay, so we are having 2 ways to find the equation of the line. One is whenever we are having 2 points, then we can find the equation of the line, or whenever we are having 1 point and a drs of that particular line, then also we can find equation of the line. So but at present we are having only single point, but I can find the drs of the line PQ. So since the given plane is perpendicular, the line is perpendicular to the given plane, so the coefficients of x comma y comma z can be treated as the drs of the line PQ. Okay, so whenever the required line is perpendicular to the given plane, we can take the coefficients of x comma y comma z from the plane equation as drs. Okay, so that I am writing, since the line PQ is perpendicular to the given plane, so the drs of the line PQ are, I'm writing simply 2 comma minus 3 comma 2. So 2 comma minus 3 comma 2 are the coefficients of x comma y comma z in the plane equation. Okay, so we can take the coefficients of x comma y comma z as drs because the line PQ is perpendicular to the plane. So whenever we are having this kind of situation in any problem, we can take the drs of that particular line in this way. Okay, so now we can find the equation of the line. So since we are having a point and also drs of that line, so we can find equation of the line. So now I'm finding, now equation of the line through P. The point is P minus 2, 1 comma 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3, and drs 2 comma minus 3 comma 2 is, the formula is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So this is the formula. So we are having to find the equation of the line in symmetric form. Okay, so here x1 y1 z1 is the point P, and a b c are the drs 2 minus 3 2. So we have to substitute those values so that we get x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus of minus means y plus 2 pi minus 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 2. So this is the line equation PQ. Okay, so immediately after getting line equation, so now I can find any point on that line. Now I can find any point on that line by supposing this line equation equal to small r. Okay, so I am writing this is equal to small r. Say by equating this line equation to small r, we can find any point on that line PQ. Okay, so we have to equate each and every term to small r, so that we get x minus 1 by 2 is equal to small r, y plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to small r, and z minus 3 by 2 is equal to small r. Okay, so from this we can write x minus 1 is equal to 2r and x is equal to 2r plus 1. And from this we can write y plus 2 is equal to minus 3r and y is equal to minus 3r minus 2. And from this z minus 3 is equal to 2r and z is equal to 2r plus 3. Okay, so these are the values of x comma y comma z, and we can write any point. So any point on the line. So any point on the line PQ, and I am treating that particular point as Q. Okay, so any point on the line PQ, and I am naming that point as Q is equal to 2r plus 1 comma minus 3r minus 2 comma 2r plus 3. So whenever we suppose that the line equation is equal to small r, so we get a point, and that particular point lies anywhere in the line equation. Okay, so and I am supposing that that particular point is nothing but Q. Okay, so and I have named that point as Q. So now we have to find that Q, that is the image of the given point. So but in that Q we don't know R, so first we have to find R. Immediately after getting R, then we can know the image of the given point. Okay, right. So after getting Q, if we observe the line PQ, so I am writing every line is having a midpoint. So here also I am supposing that let M is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, so let M is the midpoint of PQ. So that I am writing here, let M be the midpoint of the line PQ. It means we can find the formula, we can write the formula for the midpoint. So M is equal to, we can write the formula to find the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, comma z1 plus z2 by 2. Okay, so this is the formula to find the midpoint. So it means we can find M by using this formula. Okay, so here x1 y1 z1 is nothing but P, and x2 y2 z2 is nothing but Q. So once again I am writing here P is nothing but 1 comma minus 2 comma 3, and Q is this point. Okay, we are having this point. So now we have to substitute those two values in this formula. So x1 plus x2 means 2r plus 1 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 minus 3r minus 2 by 2, comma z1 plus z2, so 2r plus 3 by 2. Okay, so we get, so 2r plus 2 by 2, comma minus 3r minus 4 by 2, comma so 2r plus 6 by 2. Okay, so on simplification we get, if you take 2 common in the first term, then we get r plus 1, comma minus 3r minus 4 by 2, comma, and if we take 2 common in the third term also, we get r plus 3. So this is the point M. And if you observe the diagram, clearly that point M lies on the plane. Yes, even though that is the midpoint of the line PQ, that particular point M lies on the plane. It means, so whenever a point lies on the plane, we can substitute that particular point in the plane equation. Okay, so that I am writing that, since if M lies on the plane, then what we can write, we have to substitute this particular point. It means the plane equation should satisfy this particular point. So then we are having the plane equation is 2x minus 3y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. So it means we have to substitute this particular point in the plane equation, so that we get 2 into x is nothing but r plus 1 minus 3 into minus 3r minus 4 by 2 plus 2 into z is nothing but r plus 3 is equal to 0. Whenever that point lies on the plane, then that particular point should satisfy the plane equation. So that I am writing in place of x r plus 1, and in place of y minus 3r minus 4, and in place of z as r plus 3, and that equation should be equal to 0. So if you simplify this equation, then we get the value of r. Okay, so I am simplifying this. So 2r plus 2, if we multiply with minus 3, we get plus 9r plus 12 by 2, and 2r plus 6 plus 3, which is equal to 0. If you find the LCM is 2, so that we get 4r plus 4 plus 9r plus 12 plus 4r, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 2s are 18 plus 18 is equal to 0. And taking LCM to the RHS, we get it becomes 0. Okay, and finally the R terms, 4r plus 4r is 8r, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17r. Coming to the constants, 4 plus 12 is 16, 16 plus 18 is 34. So 34 is equal to 0. So 17r is equal to minus 34, and r is equal to minus 34 by 17, which is equal to minus 2. So finally we get r is equal to minus 2. So whenever we get the value of r, then we can find the image. Okay, that is, therefore I am writing the q. So since we are having the q is 2r plus 1 comma minus 3r minus 2 comma 2r plus 3. So this is the point q. Okay, so yes, this is the point q. In this point, we have to substitute r by minus 2, so that we get 2 into minus 2 plus 1 comma minus 3 into minus 2 comma 2 into minus 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is equal to minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to minus 3. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So we have already discussed that q is the image of the point. So p, so that I am writing, therefore q is equal to minus 3 comma 4 comma minus 1 is the image of the point p 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 in the plane, in the given plane. So in this way, we have to find the image of the point in the plane. Okay, so once again I am repeating the procedure how to find the image of the point on the plane. So if we observe the diagram, so from the diagram I am supposing that, so p is the point, given point, and the image of the p should be the q. Okay, I am supposing the image of the p should be the q, and if we observe the diagram, so if we join p and q, we get a line. Okay, so this is the line equation, this is the line pq. Okay, right. So first what we have to do in the solution is, first we have to find the equation of the line. Okay, so if you want to find the equation of the line, we require 2 points or at least 1 point and drs of that particular line. Here we are having only 1 point, but we can find the drs of that particular line since the line is perpendicular to the given plane, so that the coefficients of x comma y comma z from the plane equation can be treated as drs for the line pq. So I am taking those coefficients as drs and p as a point, and then I have found the equation of the line pq. Okay, we get equation of the line pq. So after getting the equation of the line, now we have to suppose that line equation should be equal to small r. So by supposing that equation is equal to small r, we can get any point on the line. So that I am writing any point on the line, that is q, and I am supposing that any point is nothing but q. Okay, so that q is our required point. So since we suppose that q is the image of the point, so that if in that q we are having small r, so that we have to find small r. So for finding smaller, once again, I suppose that M is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, M is the midpoint of PQ. So by using the midpoint formula, I have found the point M. So immediately after getting M, so if M lies on the plane, so from the given diagram, if you observe that M lies on the plane, so whenever M lies on the plane, then clearly that particular point should satisfy the given plane equation. So on substituting the point M in the given plane, then we get the value of R. And after getting smaller, then we substitute that particular value smaller in the point Q, then we get image of the point. Okay, so in this way, we can find the image of the point in the plane. Okay, so I have given you one problem as homework. So you have to find the image of the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 3 in the plane 3x minus 2y minus z is equal to 9. Thank you.